Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on connecting to a Wi-Fi network on the Kindle Paperwhite. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the home page of the Kindle, tap the three dots button in the top right. Then tap Settings from the menu. In Settings, tap Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Then tap Wi-Fi Networks. Tap the name of the network that you want to connect to. Then enter the Wi-Fi password and tap Connect. Your Kindle is now connected to that Wi-Fi network. You can see that it is connected by the check to the left of the network. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Kindle tips and tricks.